Let's take a look at a few examples related to convection. So firstly, you can see that it is a setup to test the conductivity of the water. And so it shows the water is a poor conductor and there is no convection because the cold item at the bottom and the hot heat source heat on the top. And for the next example, it is a paper tray that's used to put some water inside. And we found that when we heat up at the bottom, it will not burn the paper tray. And here are the reasons behind. We know that the heat is transferred very effectively in this case. And why the smoke detector should be fixed at the top of the room. We should aware that the smoke detector usually fixed at the ceiling. The reason behind is because when there is fire, the smoke usually warmer than the surrounding air, so it will move upward and reach the ceiling. And that's why we will choose to place the smoke detector at the ceiling so that it can detect the smoke more effectively in that case. And the next example here is related to the heat pack for the frozen box. This kind of frozen box is a simple design. There are two layers. The top layer, there is a place that you can place some frozen pack, let's say some ice or ice pack. And at the bottom is used to place your drink or ice cream so that it can keep it cold. Why we do that? Because the frozen pack absorbs heat from the surrounding air. So the surrounding air will be cooled down and becomes more denser, and so that it will sink to the bottom. On the other hand, the warm air will rise. So that warm air rise, cold air sink, the convection current can be set up in this cool box, so that it can be a very effective way to keep the food cool in this case.